British summer over here. Lots of rain and even more clouds. Well, the only benefit is that I have plenty of water to clean the garden and my pool cover. Anyway, I'm vacuuming my pool, and I know I already made a video about my small pool vacuum thingy, but that was a rather bad video. Out of focus, the camera wasn't very good at all, pretty bad actually, so I'm going to rectify that by making a video about the vacuum cleaner actually cleaning all the debris that's on the bottom. Inside I should have bought a bit more powerful motor, but hey, this one works. It even traps sand, although sand takes a bit of time to get sucked up. Vacuum the pool takes always time, or if you're going too fast you stir up the dirt and then it settles somewhere else. Looks like you have cleaned the pool, but in fact you haven't. As you can see, there's things floating into the bag. A bit hard time to get this debris out. That's probably sand. We'll come back after I cleaned most of it and wait just for it to settle a bit. As you can see, here we have more debris. Well, the benefit of bad weather is also that you have the pool cover on most of the time, so that your pool doesn't get as dirty as when you use it. Well, I guess I've proven my point now. Let's see in the little bag. Oh, the pump doesn't like that. You should be able to see that on camera. There's all kinds of small debris in the bag. And that's about it. I'm not going to explain how I made this thingy. You can view the other video for that. Link is at the end of this video and in the description. So I will clean my pool further and see you in the next video.